Creative and fun learning make a paper-plate aquarium. In the heart of a bustling school on a sunny Friday afternoon, the creative corner buzzed with energy as a group of 6 curious children gathered around a long table. With paintbrushes in hand and paper plates at the ready, they were about to embark on an underwater adventure, making their very own paper-plate aquariums. The children began their aquatic journey by mixing paints to create a rich palette of underwater hues. Various shades of blue and green swirled together as the room filled with laughter and excitement. Each child dipped their paintbrush into the vibrant mix, eager to bring their aquarium to life. With their paintbrushes steady, they carefully coated each paper plate with strokes of paint, blending the colors to create the base of their underwater world. Soon, 6 unique aquariums emerged, each one a testament to the child's creativity and imagination. As the base dried, the children moved on to crafting the star of their aquariums, the fish. With a pair of scissors, they carefully cut out fin shapes from colorful construction paper, each one uniquely designed by its creator. Adding these fish to their aquariums brought a splash of color and life. Next, the children added seaweed to their aquariums. Twists of yarn or green pipe cleaners created waves of movement and depth, filling the underwater worlds with life. The room was filled with giggles as the children crafted, each one lost in their own creative flow. As the seaweed dried, the children added a final touch to their aquariums, a small submarine or other underwater vehicle. The room was filled with wonder as they watched their creations come together, each one a unique reflection of their imagination and creativity. As the last submarine was placed into its aquarium, the children beamed with pride at their creations, each one a masterpiece of imagination and creativity. They proudly displayed their finished aquariums in the classroom, eager to share their underwater worlds with friends. With their aquariums complete, the children eagerly listened as their teacher led a discussion about marine life and the importance of conserving our oceans. They learned about various species of fish and the threats they face, inspiring them to protect their newfound underwater friends. Inspired by their newfound passion for marine life, the class decided to take action. They would host a school-wide presentation and fundraiser to raise awareness about ocean conservation. The children worked together, eager to share their knowledge and make a difference. Over the next few days, the children practiced their presentations, learning even more about the incredible world beneath the waves. They worked together, each one contributing their unique creativity and knowledge to create an engaging and informative event. The big day arrived. It was time for the presentation. The children stood proudly in front of their fellow students, ready to share everything they had learned about marine life. With confident voices and colorful visuals, they educated their peers, inspiring them to join in the fight for ocean conservation. Through this hands-on project, these 6 young minds learned the importance of imagination, creativity, and collaboration, skills that will serve them well throughout their lives. With a newfound passion for marine life and a determination to protect it, they have made a difference in the world, one paper-plate aquarium at a time.